In the heart of the earth, beneath layers of rock and stone, lies a hidden world shrouded in mystery. A world where machines roar and drills cut through the earth like hungry beasts. But the world beneath our feet is not just a realm of riches, it's also a perilous place. Cave-ins, toxic gases, and equipment failures are constant threats, pushing miners to the limits of human endurance. On the other hand, cutting-edge technologies, autonomous vehicles, and advanced machines are transforming the way we extract minerals from the Earth's crust. Join us on a captivating exploration into the depths of the Earth, where humans and machinery converge in an unwavering pursuit of valuable resources. Witness the awe-inspiring power of the mining beast from Komatsu. Deep in the heart of Austria lies the Erzberg Iron Mine, a testament to the tenacity of human endeavors in open-pit mining. This is the longest-running ore extraction site anywhere in the world, producing up to 2,153,000 tons of iron ore per year. Miners primarily employ the method of surface mining to extract buried ore. Approximately 85% of global ore extraction is conducted using this technique. At any open-pit mine, the process begins with explosions. This is done to break the hard rock in which treasures are hidden. Firstly, the site is prepared using dozers that remove the upper rocks and any kind of vegetation. After that, a blast hole drill is brought to the site for drilling holes in the ground to fill the explosive material. Komatsu has built several blast hole drills perfect for this purpose. For example, the Komatsu ZR55 is truly a paragon in this regard. It can create 10 5/8-inch hole 55 feet deep in the ground. While drilling, different drill bits are used according to the composition of the material. It takes a lot of time to change a drill bit. This is why Komatsu has included an innovative auto bit carousel in it. It not only reduces bit change downtime, but allows the operators to seamlessly adapt to the drill pattern. This blast hole drill also features an intelligent compressor control that regulates the amount of air entering the hole and helps manage power and fuel consumption. Moreover, they have high-precision GPS for a reason. This feature allows the operator to drill holes precisely where they should be. It also allows the movement of the drill between holes without the operator inside the cap. Once the holes are drilled, a crew of experts fills them with explosive material with the aim of detonating all at once. In bombing, a strip of land is cut into the side of an open-pit mine. This provides a systematic removal of the top layer. After blasting, when the dust settles, an unsung hero is called again to the forefront of the mining industry. It pushes tons of material with its metal blade, makes new roads there, and maintains them. With an 80-year history and expertise in designing a dozer, Komatsu set a world record. The company started manufacturing the D575 in 1991, which is so far the world's largest dozer. This dozer is 38.46 feet long, 10.5 feet wide, and stands as tall as 16 feet. With a staggering 19-foot wide blade, it can take away tons of rocks in minutes. The operating weight of this behemoth is 285,000 pounds. It has a 554.8-gallon fuel tank too. With that amount of fuel, a Boeing 737 can fly 702 miles. Under its mighty frame, the undercarriage boasts a track gauge of 10.57 feet and a notable shoe size of 29.93 inches. But it's not just about dimensions. The heart of this machine is a turbocharged and emission-certified engine, commanding an awe-inspiring 1,065 horsepower. As it shifts through its 3 forward and reverse gears, this behemoth can attain speeds of 7.5 miles per hour going forward and 8.5 miles per hour in reverse. Despite having those impressive features, zero new unit of this dozer has been manufactured since 2012. The reasons are new deal-breaker factors such as sustainability and efficiencies. Now, owners want not just a powerful pushing machine, but an energy-efficient dozer that can work for long hours with less fuel consumption and minimum or zero carbon emissions. The Komatsu D475 and the D375 meet all the new standards of the current age. One of the astonishing features they have is their long-lasting undercarriage. As dozers move on rugged terrain, hard material gets caught between the parts of the undercarriage and exacerbates its wear. This is why modern dozer undercarriages come equipped with lubricated track rollers. These are resiliently mounted to the track frame with a bogie suspension system whose oscillating motion is cushioned by rubber pads. Their unique seals prevent the entry of foreign abrasives into pin and pushing clearances, providing an extended service life. Track tension is easily adjusted with a grease gun too. Other than that, the manufacturing process of each and every component plays an important role, especially the heat treatment technology, which significantly enhances their durability. In the world of heavy machinery, the undercarriage system lays the foundation, but it's the engine that breathes life into the dozer. Consider the Komatsu D475, with its robust 890 horsepower engine that achieves its utmost capacity at 2,000 RPM. Not to be overshadowed, the D375 parades with a 609 horsepower engine, offering maximum power at 1,800 RPM. To meet emission standards and reduce fuel consumption, Komatsu packs its machine's engines with a number of features. For example, diesel engines emit particulate matter which primarily consists of unburned carbon and sulfates and poses a serious health risk to humans and the environment. This is why Komatsu has designed special filters that capture more than 90% of particulate matter. Likewise, Komatsu has included a variable geometry turbocharger system in its engines to modulate airflow to match variable nozzle performances with load conditions. Another problem with engines is that a portion of their exhaust gases are recirculated back into the combustion chamber, causing the emission of nitrogen oxides. To prevent it, Komatsu has developed an exhaust gas recirculation system. It cools down the temperature of the exhaust gas, which results in a reduction of the formation of nitrogen oxides. Likewise, modern diesel features a high-pressure common rail (HPCR) fuel injection system. It maintains a constant supply of pressurized fuel to injectors, allowing for better control over injection timing and quantity. A vehicle's transmission acts as a bridge between the engine and the undercarriage system. It transmits the mechanical power from the engine to the undercarriage. In modern vehicles, an automatic transmission is installed that automatically changes the gear ratios as the vehicle moves, eliminating the need for the operator to manually shift gears. But heavy-duty machines like dozers require a consistent amount of torque to function appropriately. This is why the lock-up torque converter is included. By locking up, the torque converter reduces the slippage that's typical in non-lockup systems, thereby allowing for a more efficient and direct power transfer. The Komatsu torque flow transmission has a water-cooled, 3-element, 1-stage, 1-phase torque converter with a lockup clutch and a planetary gear, multiple disc clutch transmission that is hydraulically driven, and force oiled to get rid of heat as efficiently as possible. The gear shift, lock lever, and neutral safety switch help prevent accidental starts. Owing to such cutting-edge features, Komatsu offers a 10% reduction in fuel consumption with automatic transmission with lockup torque converter compared to operation in manual gear shift modes. A dozer without its blade can't be called a dozer. After the Komatsu D575, which is capable of pushing 125 cubic yards, the D475 is the second largest in this regard, offering blade capacity of up to 44 yards squared. Dozer blades come in different shapes, and we have covered them in our previous documentary video. Yet, it's not just the blade that commands attention. The Ripper holds its own significance, especially in surface mining. Acting as the dozer's powerful ally, the Ripper pierces and fractures the tough terrain, paving the way for smoother excavation. By tackling the compacted layers of earth, the Ripper ensures that the land's hidden treasures are more readily exposed for extraction. Together, the dozer and its Ripper showcase a synergy of force and finesse vital to the mining symphony. While dozers carve pathways on the harsh land of a mining site, various types of loading machines are used to not just remove the remnants of blasted rocks, but also to extract the ore. The loading equipment includes excavators, shovels, and wheel loaders, depending on various factors such as site conditions, cost of working, and functionality. Each type of loading machine is preferred over the other. For example, the P&H 4800 XPC is one of the world's largest electric rope shovels, and with its huge 92 yards cube dipper, it can load a 400-ton mining truck in just 3 passes. but electric infrastructure is required to run such a large mining beast. These shovels are used in mining operations and have a lifespan of at least 20 years. If there are not enough mining trucks to receive each pass in a timely manner, the shovel would not be beneficial. Hydraulic excavators can be used for the same purpose, but the key consideration is the digging capability of the loading machine. Consider the extraction of hard ores like platinum. In such tough terrain, it's not just about having a sizable bucket, but also processing the sheer power to penetrate the compacted earth. Komatsu's answer to such demanding conditions is the Komatsu PC 8006. Equipped with a 4,020 horsepower engine and advanced hydraulics, this giant is adept at handling the rigorous demands of hard ore extraction. However, both machines are behemoths of their kind, standing as large as a several-story tall building. Therefore, the safety features of these machines are taken as a matter of life and death. For instance, when the dipper of a rope shovel moves down, there's a chance of its collision with the undercarriage. This is the reason Komatsu has installed Track Shield 2 in its rope shovels. This system monitors the movement of the dipper and warns the ripper. If by any chance the ripper goes beyond its critical point, this system automatically stops the ripper movement to prevent serious damage. Likewise, for operators seated high above the ground, navigating these giants isn't a mere task. It's a responsibility. They need eyes everywhere. That's why these machines come equipped with 7 cameras, offering a panoramic view and ensuring every move is made with precision and awareness. The story of surface mining does not end here. Instead, it's just the beginning for dump trucks. They carry the extracted material on their backs and move across the mining site to transport it to the crusher. The energy consumption of these trucks is directly related to their payload capacity, terrain, and the distance they travel. As dump trucks laboriously make their way uphill, they carry the extracted ore to the crushers. This uphill journey demands a significant amount of energy, especially considering the weight of their heavy loads. Recognizing this challenge and making their trucks more environmentally friendly, companies have sought innovative solutions to optimize energy consumption. One such solution is the trolley assistance system. This system uses overhead electrical lines, similar to those in urban tram systems, to power the trucks. By tapping into this electrical source, trucks can reduce their reliance on diesel fuel during the most demanding parts of their journey, significantly reducing both energy costs and carbon emissions. According to calculated data, the trolley assist system saves 50% diesel consumption. Among the various machines, the dump truck is the first machine that has undergone a transformative evolution for several reasons. They operate on highly predictable routes that can be easily mapped and enable them to operate autonomously. Companies also wanted to make this job completely safe with improved efficiency. Recognizing these trends, Komatsu installed its first autonomous haulage system, AHS, in 2008. Since then, their autonomous trucks have hauled over 2 billion tons of materials. Statistically, the company revealed that its truck performed 15% better in terms of productivity. They noted a 13% reduction in overall maintenance of the truck, and 0 system-related incidents happened during the 10 years. Apart from these massive mining trucks, another type of vehicle plays a crucial role in surface mining: the articulated dump truck. These are notably different from the larger, rigid mining trucks. Articulated dump trucks have a hinge between the cab and the dump box, granting them enhanced maneuverability. They shine in navigating challenging terrain with wet and muddy conditions, where larger mining trucks might falter. Their adaptability makes them ideal for transporting materials in smaller, more confined surface mining operations, or in situations where the ground is less stable. In the midst of these arduous tasks, the role of the operator becomes paramount. A well-designed ergonomic environment for the operator directly influences the uptime and productivity of these trucks. Ergonomics ensures that controls are intuitively placed, reducing the time the operator spends searching or reaching. This is the reason these machines come equipped with spacious interiors, adjustable air suspension seats that reduce vibrations, intuitive control placements, and an advanced climate control system to maintain optimal cabin temperatures. Moreover, wide-angle windows and strategically placed mirrors enhance visibility, while noise-reducing materials help diminish the cabin's noise levels. The integration of these features minimizes operator fatigue, ensuring that drivers remain alert and efficient throughout their shifts. As articulated dump trucks operate through challenging terrain, they're often paired with wheel loaders. While massive loading machines like shovels are efficient for loading the larger mining trucks, wheel loaders are more suitable for rapid, precise loading in areas with space constraints or less stable terrain. From removing waste material to road maintenance and loading ore, wheel loaders play a multifaceted role in open-pit mining operations. Let's have a look at the WA908. With an operating weight of 256,618 pounds and a bucket capacity of 19 yards cubed, this wheel loader is a perfect match for 70 to 150 ton haul trucks. Its variable traction control system counteracts tire slippage, particularly in challenging environments like wet or slippery terrain. Operators can fine-tune the machine's rim pull with an adjustment range between 100 and 20% tractive effort. This adaptability ensures optimal grip, reducing unnecessary wear and tear on the tires and ultimately prolonging their lifespan. The wheel loader has 3 automated features: automatic dig, semi-auto approach, and semi-auto dump systems. These sophisticated systems are tailored to reduce the manual input required from operators, subsequently easing their workload. By doing so, they not only diminish operator fatigue but also enhance overall operational efficiency, ensuring tasks are executed seamlessly and proficiently. For large wheel loaders, Komatsu has built the SR hybrid drive system. During braking or retarding, the system can use electrical drives as generators and feeds power back into the electrical system. This allows for up to 45% less fuel consumption than comparably sized mechanical drive wheel loaders. As the arduous process of excavation and hauling reaches its culmination, the momentous occasion arrives when the dumper, with unwavering precision, proceeds to discharge the precious ore into the awaiting crusher. Crushers break down large chunks of raw material into manageable sizes for processing and transport. Generally, a crusher comprises 3 main components: drag chain conveyors, a rotary crusher, and a surge hopper. The drag chain conveyors guide the ore, ensuring a smooth transition. The heart of the system, the rotary crusher, grinds and pulverizes with sheer power, transforming large trunks into manageable sizes. And overseeing this process, the surge hopper stands sentinel, regulating the flow and ensuring that neither excess nor dearth interrupts the process. The crushed material can then be transferred through miles of long conveyors to the milling machines, where it's ground into a fine powder. The powdered ore then goes through a series of beneficiation processes, which include flotation, magnetic separation, gravity concentration, or leaching. During these processes, the desired minerals are separated from the unwanted materials, or gagage. Once the minerals are concentrated, they are usually subjected to smelting or refining. In smelting, the concentrated ore is heated to high temperatures, often with a reducing agent, to extract the pure metal. In refining, any remaining impurities are removed, resulting in a final product that's ready for sale or further manufacturing. From its deep roots in terrestrial mining, Komatsu is now gazing upward at the moon. In 2019, the forward-thinking company boldly stepped into the future by joining NASA's Artemis program. Leveraging its extensive expertise, Komatsu plans to engineer machines capable of functioning in the moon's unique conditions. The lunar environment presents novel challenges: temperatures plumbing to negative 170 degrees Celsius, unpredictable terrains, and the considerable communication lag between the Earth and the moon. With these endeavors, Komatsu is not only pushing the boundaries of innovation, but also playing a part in mankind's next monumental chapter in space as well as on Earth.